Welcome to Tuesday 2 Minutes. Buying a new house is a very big commitment to most of people nowadays. And today, we are going to share with you what are the top 5 home defects that you must know before you taking over your new house. Defect number 1, water leakage. Water leakage at wet area like kitchen and toilet can cause you a nightmare if you are staying at high-rise buildings. How do we find out if there is any water leakage at your new house? First, you can visually inspect the ceiling at your kitchen or your toilet should there be any water stain at your ceiling. If you are still worried, you can do some water ponding tests at your kitchen area or your toilet area to check should there be any drop in your water level. Defect number 2, clogged piping. There have been many clogged piping cases in the past whereby the water overflow from the pipe due to the built-up rubbish inside the pipe. So how do we prevent this from happening? Very simple. What you need to do is to turn on your utilities and let the water run to check should there be any overflowing water from the existing pipe. Defect number 3, window tightness. Most of the homeowners always overlook this defect when they first take over their units. Poor window tightness may lead to problems like water seepage and excessive noise pollution. Therefore, it's very important for you to ensure that your window is watertight and airtight. So how do you ensure that? Very simple. What you need to do is to ensure that the window sealant is still intact and is still in good condition. Defect number 4, hollow and uneven floor tilings. I will consider this one of the most common defects that you will see when you first take over your unit. Hollow and uneven floor tiling are mostly due to poor measure of the tiler, and it will cause us problems like cracking on your floor tiles and popping up of your floor tiles. So for this kind of problem, it's always advisable to replace it before you move in. Otherwise, it will create a greater inconveniences to you in future. Defect number 5, electrical supply. It's always good to ensure that all the power sockets within your houses are still functioning without any tripping. Should you encounter any power tripping, always look for a qualified electrician to look into it, and it's very likely due to overloading or bad wiring. To recap, what are the top 5 house defects that you must know before you're taking over? Defect number 1, water leakage. Defect number 2, clogged piping. Defect number 3, window tightness. Defect number 4, hollow and uneven floor tiling. And the last defect, electrical supply. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and find that this is useful, please like it and share it to your friends. And you happen to have any question, you are welcome to drop me any message and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And I will see you again next Tuesday.